Hey everyone, it's your girl Carrie for a little unboxing video. I got a big box of Funkos and some Pokemon, Digimon, games, stuff. Let's get started. First of all, I have a bunch of these Michael Myers little Funko. I got the jumbo. I also have the 8-inch little ones, so that's nice. All right, this is the big boy. I got a bunch of Funkos, but I only got like one of each, so make sure you let me know ASAP if you want any of them. So from Adventure Time, they did a new release of a bunch of the characters. So we've got Princess Bubblegum. She's wearing kind of like a band t-shirt kind of dealio, looking kind of punk with a little pink mini skirt, giving you a thumbs up. Cute. We also have Jonathan Davis from Korn. What that reminds me of. We've got Lumpy Space Princess. And her shirt says Squeezy Mart. Not sure why. She got a little purse. Wearing some makeup, looking fabulous. We got Pam holding her teapot from The Office. What else we got? We got Erin. Comes bearing gifts. She's got a bottle of champagne, a happy gift bag. We've got Dwight, a big pumpkin on his head. Amazing. So festive. And back from Adventure Time, we've got BMO. He says, "Kiss my cook." Scandalous. But he looks happy. BMO is so precious. We got one Peppa Pig. Being herself. I think Peppa Pig is a femme. We got Powerpuff Girls, Mojo Jojo. Okay, for some reason, I only received Mojo Jojo. I feel like I definitely ordered the main Powerpuff Girls. I'm hoping that they are coming. But for now, I've got Mojo Jojo. Looking ready to attack. He's mad at the Powerpuff Girls. All right, who else? Oh, I got Finn the Human. He's got wings and a sword. He's flying. He's looking pretty mad. I'm gonna come down and unleash some anger. I've got John Lennon in the military jacket. I don't know if you saw the new Beatles documentary. I haven't, but I've seen a lot about it. Seems like it's good. That's what everyone's telling me. Or that's what Twitter's telling me. We've got Jake the dog listening to his, it looks like a tape recorder. It's got a little pizza sticker on it. Adorable. Cassette player, I guess is what it would have been called. And finally, we've got Kevin dressed up as a superhero. This must have been from like a Halloween party. For some reason, I don't have the full set, but I have some of them, so that's fun. So it's all of our Funko Pops. We did it. Now for games, I have another one of these Marvel Versus systems. I don't know if anyone's playing this, but this is the Spider-Verse one. The Into the Spider-Verse 2 trailer's out. It looks good. I love the first one, so it's on Netflix if you haven't seen it. Highly recommend. Very beautiful. We also have more of these Funko games. This one is Grinch Grow Your Heart. So ages 6 and up, 2 to 6 players. fun, quick little game. Good stocking stuffer. Already has a little bow on it. It's like they made it for you to buy for Christmas. What else? Got some more Digimon cards in. Oh, this looks fun. Let's summon demons. Can you summon the most fun and powerful demons? Oh my god. Ages 12 and up. That's all it says. Usually they tell you like how many players. 2 to 5 players. That's what the back looks like. I guess these are the demons that you can summon. Damien is there. Beelzebuddy. The Devil. Porcus. Skunk. What do you got against skunks? Skunks are fun. I love skunks. I guess I've never actually seen a skunk, so who I don't know. Pokemon. We've got the build and battle boxes from Fusion Strike. Also got another Elite Trainer box from Evolving Skies. Got a Fusion Strike Build and Battle Stadium. We've got some Cards Against Humanity Family Edition, ages 8 and up. Also got the Glow in the Box Family Edition. This is a Hidden Gems bundle. So it comes with Pride Pack, Season's Greeting, Science, Food, Dad, College, a few new cards. Oh, and of course, had to get this, the Nerd Bundle. So, fantasy, sci-fi, World Wide Web, geek, AI, human, and a few extra. Fun. These look like, for the lucky first people who buy Digimon boosters, I got some promo stuff for ya. Cool. I got this big old board game. On Mars. The next frontier of human endeavor. You are colonizing Mars. Require carefully balancing the importance of water, air, power, and food. Oh my goodness. This is an 80 to 150 minute game. Solid game night. 1 to 4 players. You can play it by yourself. Ages 14 and up. So not for the faint of heart. You gotta be a committed board game player. This is what it all looks like. Set up. Comes with little rocket ships and a little rover. Love it. All right. And then finally, I got some little binders for your cards. They come with the booster pack. That's everything. Thanks for tuning in. Hoping to have more goodies for you tomorrow. So we'll share those. Thanks everyone. Have a good day. See ya.